Hi everyone, and we are down to our last dance step, which is a turn. This is by far the most challenging dance step, and you have to be very careful, or else you might fall when you pivot or when you turn. So, again, I'm going to do it slowly and then on tempo. The pattern is in, turn. Okay, here we go. Okay, get ready for our turn. In, in, turn in, in, turn, in, in, turn, in, in, turn. So when you practice, make sure you do it slowly first so you don't get dizzy. On tempo, turn, 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 turn. There you have it. So we finally completed our Tinikling dance, and I can't wait to dance it with the music and with everyone in class. See you!